Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's that time to go train. I already took my pre, yo. I'm shredding hard though. As y'all can see, I'm gonna go train biceps. Now I'm gonna focus on a few exercises. As y'all can see, I'm here at the gym. And, you know, today, fuck, man, I can't see shit in this sun, bro. I'm here at this In Shape right here down the street from where I stay in LA right quick. So I'm gonna train biceps today. I'm gonna show you a few exercises, you know, to keep that shred going, keep that pump blossoming, you know, because I want you guys and girls watching this to, you know, take advantage of these tips that I have on here on this YouTube channel, you know. I appreciate y'all for watching, and you know what I mean. It's about that aesthetics, quality of life, you know, and I believe in that. I preach that, and you know, it's not every day that you have someone preaching about that health and fitness life, you know what I mean. And right now, I'm taking people that want to learn how to get shredded, you know, if they're really bulked up to the max. I want to be that person to, you know, help you get started on that cut, you know, that shred, that process. You know, it's going to involve nutrition, changes in your eating. You're going to have to start exercising and things like that. You know, if you've never done that, you know, you want to inquire about that, feel free to DM me on Instagram. Here's my badge. Just send me a direct message and get acquainted with me, and we're going to have a free consultation, okay? I'll let you know more about that. But other than that, enjoy this workout and smash arms. It's arm day, baby. Alright, I lied. I'm not just training biceps. The gym's a little packed, so I'm gonna adapt to the pack. You feel me? So I'm gonna train a little bit of back. I'm gonna squeeze in those biceps, and I'm gonna do my best to show you how to get an effective workout when the gym is packed, alright? Let's get it. Remember, I'm staying at 3-4 sets, warming up for my 2 sets. I'm getting in detail here. Warming up 2 sets, lightweight, then I'm increasing weight little by little. It's important to lubricate the joints, you know, warm up a little bit before you start lifting heavy and tearing shit up, you feel me? Pull-ups, wide grip pull-ups, about 3-4 sets. Get the back nice and flooded with some blood. And then next exercise, all right, let's get it. What you just saw was a lat pull down. I went wide grip and I started with a regular basic movement for the lat pull down. Then I moved around and I faced the outside of that bench, and then I used no restriction, so it was a free range of motion, and I challenged myself more. So there you have it. Next exercise. get the abs. I'm looking good, I'm feeling good. I haven't released a update of my physique, but I will, of course, because that's what it's all about. You know, it's improving and seeing progress in your body internally and externally. So I just finished my workout, basically 30-45 minutes of a session. Good sets, good reps in there. Make sure I'm breathing, everything's under control. And you know, I'm feeling the burn, I'm feeling the pump and enjoying it, and most importantly, being happy, okay? And as you can see, progress is going great. I'm getting leaner and leaner and meaner by the day. You hear me? So other than that, don't forget to like, comment. If you happen to give a damn, you feel me? Share, subscribe to your boy, and I'm gonna see you on the next video, baby. One more thing, if you're interested in learning about how to get in shape, if you're on a bulk and you want to cut, if you just want to eat healthier, you want to get rid of those bad eating habits, hit me up, send me a DM on my Instagram below, okay? See y'all. Peace. Yo, so after that workout, I have to eat because I have a 30 to 45 minute, what the flip? So after that workout, I have to eat. I have a ton of muscle fibers I just tore, I damaged them, and I feel like shit, okay? Excuse my language, but it's that time to replenish, recover, rehydrate, and consume that protein, that carb, that fat, you know, to really get myself growing. How am I gonna grow? How am I gonna see gains, results, right? So once again, you know, it's time to eat. Post-workout meal, stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat, okay? I'm gonna eat big, I'm gonna eat large. This is my first meal of the day, okay? I normally don't do this often, but today I happen to do that, all right? And I'll fill you in on more details on how I go about my days when I train, around my training, and so on and so forth, okay? Make sure you tune into my Instagram stories because I'm gonna be giving y'all the trainer tip of the days every day, all right? Stay tuned, man, I'm serious. So here we have it. We have that meal that I told y'all about. We got some steak. I believe it's well done. Some avocado for some more fats. Then I have some rice there. Good amount of rice, probably 2 fistfuls. And this meal is basically gonna help me replenish, recover, and basically just feed the muscles. There you have it.